inside Avni Mall. Finally, look at it.
It's very difficult that this time puja is different. We cannot enjoy the puja the way we used to, but still we have come to Avni Mall to feel that it's Sharot, it's Pujo. But I'm sure that you can see today is Sunday. We are fully prepared to fight against Corona. Stay happy and healthy.
For Avni Mall tour, here we have Boishali Ganguly who is going to give us her overview over lockdown mall में आना during Durga Puja.
Though it's not lockdown, but since Corona's fear is still on, but at times few rituals are there. So during Durga Puja, this Cafe Coffee Day, ever since this Cafe Coffee Day started, we always celebrate anything, everything with CCD. This time also, the Josh is there, but still I'm feeling little low because this week only puja will start, and the entire business you can see behind, entire business has got affected. Not a single customer in so many shops. This shows that Corona has actually affected psychologically, financially, morally, but of course, spirit-wise, a bong is a bong. Durga Puja, definitely, you can see the decoration part also. It is still there, but yes, things got affected immensely. Thank you.
So we came to Avni Mall. We started from our big bazaar, which is like that shopping place where we all go during puja. The clothing area was filled, but when we went down where normal items are found, we got nothing. The collections were empty. It shows how their business has been affected during COVID, and I hope we come out of this situation more strongly than ever. Then we went to this Bata. We got Mama her shoes, which will help her in going to places where she used to get hurt in her legs because of her old shoes. So yes, that's one thing that's bought for a reason. Then we went up and entered Health and Glow, which is a retail chain, and there I entered and I got my life's first foundation tested, and I have bought it, and a face wash. But I could see the saleswomen out there. They were like, please take this, please take that. That shows how much they are fighting to keep their jobs intact. So what we can do for them is pray that aste bochor bhalo hobe. That's all I think it is. And then for the first time ever, I bought from my pocket money one of this Miniso fragrance, which I always wanted, though I didn't get the shade. But first time I understood the difference between online shopping and offline shopping. Offline shopping, I could test every perfume they had available, and finally I found my perfume for Durga Puja whenever I'll go, even for a day. Why not enjoy ourselves staying home rather than going out pandal hopping? So with that thought, আবার দেখা হবে তোমাদের সাথে. Thanks for watching. मॉम के हाथ में चाय की प्याली और मेरे सामने पहली बार हम पिज़्ज़ा खाने वाले हैं, बाहर का खाना आफ्टर 8 months गाइज. चलो होप करते हैं कि ये ज़्यादा ऑफन हो जाए और सब कुछ ठीक हो जाए. और ये रही हमारी अम्मी विथ द कैपेचिनो. चीयर्स टू वेल-बीइंग. हैप्पी दुर्गा पूजा इन एडवांस. नवरात्रि का सेकेंड डे, मी एंड माई पिज़्ज़ा. I love it.